Software development is no longer just about writing lines of code. It's about creating intelligent solutions that make your work stand out. With AI for Software Engineers courses, you learn how to harness AI tools to save time, cut out repetitive tasks, and free your mind for creative problem solving. Imagine transforming your workflow by automating routine tasks so you can focus on building advanced software solutions that matter. These courses offer practical, hands-on video tutorials that speak directly to the challenges you face as a software engineer. You'll dive into real-world applications, learn to integrate AI into your coding environment, and explore techniques that not only boost your efficiency, but also set you apart from your peers. Most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. There's something here for everyone, whether you are just starting out or looking to expand your current skill set using popular languages like Python, JavaScript, and Java. With regular updates, ample practice prompts, and practical projects, you'll stay current with industry trends while mastering both the fundamentals and advanced aspects of AI. This isn't just about learning new skills, it's about completely transforming how you work and how you think about software engineering. Discover all of the AI for Software Engineers training courses on CompleteAItraining.com.